Welcome to Monomix TV. Today, Rwanda FDA closes 8 alcoholic beverage manufacturing companies. As they said in a public announcement on this 2 August 2026. Pursuant the law number 003/2018 of 9 February 2018 establishing Rwanda FDA and Drugs Authority, Rwanda FDA, and determining its mission, organization, and functioning, especially in its Article 9, Sub-Article 2. Following regulatory inspection and compliance assessment in the interest of public health, Rwanda FDA informs all manufacturers, distributors, retailers, and the general public of the following regulatory action are in effect immediately. Rwanda FDA hereby closes the manufacturing facilities of alcoholic beverages listed in Annex 1 and revoke all associated manufacturing licenses. All products originating from the facilities as listed in Annex 1 are ordered withdraw from the market. Rwanda FDA instructs manufacturers to immediately initiate a full recall of these products. Rwanda FDA instructs manufacturers to immediately request respective distributors to recall the listed products from the client, to return current stock and record the product to the manufacturer's premises. Rwanda FDA instructs manufacturers to submit recall report within 3 working days. Rwanda FDA instructs all distributors and retailers of the products listed in Annex 1 to immediately stop their distribution and sell and return the remaining quantities to the suppliers, distributors, manufacturers with immediate effect. Non-compliance with all the above will result in measures under applicable regulatory provisions. Rwanda FDA call on consumers to immediately stop consumption of the products listed in Annex 1. Note: a list of other concerned manufacturing facilities will be issued in due course as regulatory enforcement continues. Rwanda FDA appreciate your understanding and cooperation. Liste z'ibyo bavugaga rero kuri Annex ya mbere hari Ingufu Gin Limited, that is facility cyangwa company name. Inzoga zayo zirimo Red Warage, Labian Gin, Nguvu Gin, King's Vodka, Royal, Castor Gin, Meadow Gin, hari n'ibindi bya G&S Land, New House Portable Spirit, Club Portable Spirit, Hometown Portable Spirit. Ni byinshi cyane. Izi nzoga zigera ku 10 nazo zahagaritswe. Hakaba yo bita NBG Limited, hari ifite inzoga bita United Flavor Gin, Bombastic Coconut Flavor Gin, Ingwe Favor Gin, American Favor Gin, nitwa Maguma Gin, nitwa Fimbo. Izi nzoga ariko Fimbo Banana Brandy, zitwa Fimbo. Sky Drop Industries Limited ifite yo bita ngo Senelo Gin, Senelo Honey Based Liquor. My friend, arifitemo niyo bita Inkoramutima Ginger Flavored Alcoholic Drink, niyo bita Itoto Ginger Flavored Alcoholic Drinks. Noneho hakaza n'urundi Rwanda bita Africana Buffalo, rufite bita African Buffalo Gin, niyo habite bita Judging Whiskey, Moonlight Vodka, Master Ken Whiskey, Trace Vodka, Red Imbalili Warage. Hakaba n'indi company bita Nopa Company Limited ifite inzoga bita Enac Gin, Levy Gin, Service Gin. Hakaba iyo bita Root Investment Group Limited bita B1 Gin, ariyo ikora B1 Gin, Hopman Gin, Meetup Gin. Hakaba iyo bita Rugari Agro Processing Company ifite iyo bita Lucky Gin, Lucky Banana Based Alcoholic Beverage. Hakaba n'umini ya nyuma ya munani yitwa Zongu Industrial Liabilities Company ifite iyo bita ZNGN Millstone Whiskey, ikagira n'inzoga bita Jumongo. Any of other alcoholic beverage product not listed but produced by the manufacturing facilities listed above are also recorded from the market. No ukuvuga ngo izi nzoga z'aya makampani ko tuyavuza mu munani, Nguvu Gin, NBG, Sky Drop, African Buffalo, Nopa Company Limited, Roots Investment Group Limited, Rugari Agro Processing Company na Zingshu Industrial Limited Company, izi zose basabye ko ziva ku isoko. Basaba n'abaturage kutongera kuzinywa cyangwa kuzigura. Basaba abazicuruza kuri detail ko bazisubiza abazibahaye, n'abazibahaye nabo bakazisubiza ku ruganda. Ibi ngibi bibaye nyuma yaho FDA yajendi yari yasohoye itangazo ribuza itumizwa rya etanoro mu mahanga. Mbibutsa ko etanoro ni imwe muri product ikoreshwa mu gukora izi nzoga z'amajini cyangwa z'amarikeri. Mwakoze cyane rero kudukurikirana. Mbibutsa ko kunywa inzoga nyinshi byangiza ubuzima. Nyabuna mureke inzoga, muzireke. Ntabwo ari ngombwa ko munywa inzoga, mushobora no kunywa amata, reka araryoha. Batabishoboye, batashoboye amata, mushobora no kunywa igikoma, icyayi, ariko harimo agasukari karinganiye. Murakoze cyane. Ciao ciao.